Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable JavaScript in the Internet Explorer web browser. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Internet Options. Best result should go back of Internet Options. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Security tab, just left click on that one time, and then select where it says Custom Level, so go ahead and left click on that button. And then it should say Scripting, Active Scripting. Go ahead and enable that if you want to turn JavaScript on. If you want to disable that, you would go switch it to the disabled position, and then you would just select OK in order to turn that off. So again, if you want to turn off JavaScript, just go ahead and select that, and then select OK. Select yes, select apply and OK. Restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.